Hey everybody, we're out here at Cisco GSX, and I just ran into Hattie, and she and I work a lot together with partners over here at Splunk. And what has really resonated with you and got you excited the past couple of days?
Yeah, first of all, Jason, thank you for looping me into this video. Excited to talk to you today. It's been incredible. It's been incredible couple of days, Jason. This is my first GSX, and the amount of energy that's in the room across all the keynotes, across all the booths, and it's incredible energy. That's number one. Number two, I'm super excited for the one Cisco concept and how Splunk is getting integrated into every aspect of Cisco's lineup. This morning, we just talked about AI factories. Splunk is part of that. We talked about digital resilience. Splunk's a part of that. Every time a Cisco lineup comes up, Splunk's part of that. I'm super excited about that. And I think Cisco plus Splunk together is going to shift the AI game going forward.
Yeah, there's a lot of Splunk here at the Cisco conference, and if I want to become a Cisco Splunk partner, where can I go get some more information?
Yeah, tons of information out there, very rich information. Partners.splunk.com. Please learn about Cisco 360 Partnership Program as well as Splunk's Partnerverse program. At some point, the two will merge, and right now you can learn about both.
Fantastic. Thanks so
Yeah,
much.
thank you, Jason, for looping me into this.